The recording is on. We are going to be painting a koi fish. We know what a koi fish is. No, it's a white, orange, orangish red, uh, blue, black. Basically, white fish with all these colors, and it moves very elegantly. And they do yin yang style of painting in the Oriental painting style. I'm going to start with the circle that I draw around this, and that is where the fish is going to be. Let me start with this, and there are going to be three fish. Uh, we don't say fishes because it's a single kind. Like if there were three different kinds, maybe we could have said fishes, but three fish. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them in such a way that I'll be able to like have one here, and one here. Okay, so let this be, maybe this fish can go like this, that can come out like this, and this can go out like that. Okay, so I'm going to take blue because if there is a shadow falling under, that would be blue. So if I have a blue here, it will suit anything that we do. So one stroke from here to here. Okay. Um, like that. Like that. I'm using a flat brush, which is slightly slanted, angular flat brush. Okay, so we'll start doing the fins. And we will get a few out here too. We can take that line off later. Okay, not now. Let's have that there for now. Uh, it's not like the bamboo painting or the crane painting. Even the crane painting takes a lot of effort and strokes. The bamboo painting is different. Even there we need to do, yeah, we need to do. Okay, and this has a mustache. Okay. Okay, after we do this, we can erase those lines. We'll see when we need to erase those lines. Huh? Now, okay. Now, uh, there will be some black dots out here. We'll see how we manage that. We won't do it now. We'll go to the orange. Okay, we'll take vermilion. If there is a need, then we can mix a little bit of yellow to it. I'm going to take vermilion and dilute it whenever I need it. Huh? I'm going to dilute it whenever I need it, not now. Okay, so no, it needs a, without yellow, I don't think this is going to work. So let this fish go out like this, okay? And okay, the think that works. I think that works. We'll see what happens next. Um, that will be the body. Let the mouth come here. Okay. Uh, that will be the eye. Let's see what happens to the eye later, but for now, let's keep it at that. Okay, so it comes like that. Okay, so it comes like that. So if it comes like that, here will be the fins, dorsal fins. Huh? So how do we do that? Something like that happens here too. Okay, let's have it slightly different. Okay, actually they make it even simpler. I I'll have to think of what to do. Okay, so now that comes thinner. That comes thinner like that. Okay, and it's going to go like that. Okay, so let it move the way it wants to move. Okay, let's not strain too much to. When we go to the details, we can think of what we want to do. Okay, the third can be here. Okay, but before going to that, let's give this some color. Okay, this one is going to be basically the blue one is going to have black scales. Here it's going to be orange and so what is the pattern that we follow? We look at the fish, like photographs of a fish and we plan. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to follow. This fish, let me trace those patterns and find out what the character is. With that, see what I'm doing is I'm trying to get the form like that. Huh? Form of the fish like that. Okay, this is also, this fish too will have some black dots. Huh? Okay, let's keep that at that. We'll go to the black later after we erase. Okay. Now I'm going to the third one. Huh? I'm going to the third one. What shall we do? Let it go this way or let it go this way. It can't go this way. It has to go in a circle. Okay. So what shall we do? Okay. Let's see how this works. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to start with the tail fin, uh, which goes like that. Okay, one like that. The other like that. Okay. Okay, so this comes like that. Okay, and okay, so the eye is here means it'll go like that, go like that. Uh, I get the eye too close. Let's not disturb that now. Okay. So okay. Okay. So this goes like that, and let's keep it here. Okay. And it has to look spontaneous, but actual fact is, unless you do it 100 times, it's not going to be spontaneous. Like that is the trick. You have to do it so many times that it becomes second nature for you. Okay, we'll go to the patterns. We'll go to the patterns. The patterns are going to be something like this. Like, let me start from here and leave a little bit out there to show the dorsal fins, like the one fins on the top. Okay, and let's go to the head. And you go to the head. Uh, Okay. Painting a koi fish is uh, a game. What you think beautiful is what you're going to be doing. But there is no standard pattern, there is no standard coloring method. The brushstrokes have to be done in such a way that they look spontaneous. That's it. Even if they are not spontaneous. No, it's not always possible to be spontaneous with all your strokes. Okay, with this we can start erasing uh, the pencil line, and we can give this the black scales. Hmm?